Hello guys, I am filming the opposite because I've been trying to attempt to do this unboxing and I've been failing because I had my old selfie stick. I finally found my new selfie stick. I finally found my old selfie stick, which allows me to bend the camera this way and do a video. So this is the Govee RGBIC permanent outdoor lights that I got them during Prime Day. They are regularly $200 for 50 foot. I got them for $139 and I'm going to unbox it with you. There is a lot to these lights, let me tell you. I've had them for about 2 weeks and I've been a little afraid to try to put them up because there is so much. You get a user manual. This is a Govee quick start guide. And my house is a very small house and I got the 50 footer to just kind of go along this part of my porch. I do have a porch light over here by my front door, which I don't know how these plug in, but that is a power source, or I'm going to have to somehow rig it so I can get it in under the front door. So yeah, there is a lot of steps to these. There is the back. Yeah, so I'm not quite sure how to go about this. This looks like it's the power source part. So let's dive in here. I have not opened this up. I don't want to, I want to put it back in the box, so I don't want to get it too undone. So apparently this is the power source. They want you to put this on under the eaves of your soffits. So I got to figure out how I'm going to do this the way my porch is. Some people on YouTube, I don't think I'm going to get, am I going to get this back in the box? Probably not. Some people on YouTube have talked about taking some tape and taping these lights up just to see how they're going to go, you know, for a trial run before you actually put them up. So I might do that. I don't have enough time today. I gotta mow. So I want to do this when I know I have adequate time. So let's see how to get this out. I got about 50 million cats over here trying to sabotage me. Let's see what is in here. If this is all the, yeah, I'm probably not going to get all this out, but these are the lights. They have these sticky strips on the back, and I don't know how many strings there are, maybe, I don't know, 2. These must be the little clips that they want you to screw in along with sticking these up for extra support. Here we got some more in here. So they do recommend plugging these in first and getting them all connected before you actually do anything with them. They say that connecting everything, I'm just going to put this back in the box, would be better to see if they light than to just plug them, get them all plugged in and then try and do it. So as you can tell, I haven't even gotten that far. So what this basically says is, before installation, connect each string light and plug it into power to make sure every string light can work properly. The string light might not light up if you plug it into power first. So there's that one. Prepare a ladder and make sure it is stable enough or used under another person's assistance. Please do not install the lights on rainy or hot days to avoid falling due to high temperatures or slippery ladder. Well, we're getting ready to have a heat wave where I'm at, so I don't know. I want to make sure I have plenty of time to mess with these. Figure out the location of the first string light. Make sure the adapter and control box is long enough to connect to the power supply. See, I got to figure that out when I figure out how to lay these out. Let's see, where is it? Fix the adapter to the wall surface to alleviate the burden of the string lights. Note, waterproof connector with the red washer on the first string light should connect to the control box. Okay, now see, that I would figure out when I get all these lights out. Clean the surface with cloth or tissues where you plan to install the string lights. Make sure the surface is clean and dry. It is recommended to vertically install the string lights 5 to 10 centimeters away from the wall surface. Some people have been saying that they wipe down their house with alcohol, and I think that's what I'm going to do. I bought some with a spray bottle. Tear off the VHB gum on the back of a light and firmly press it against the surface for more than 5 seconds. The slight rotation of the power cord will not affect its use. Okay, number 6. Use screw clips to fix the string lights firmly on the eave. Each string light needs 4 screw clips. It is recommended to fix the clips before the 1st, 5th, and 9th light and after the last one on each string light. The joint between the first string light and the control box and the power cords at the top of the gable need to be secured with an extra clip. Well, see, I'm not going to put them like this on my house. I don't have any help. It's just me. So I want to do it as easy as possible. Connect 2 string lights via the waterproof connectors. Make sure the red washer on one of the connectors does not fail. Firmly screw the waterproof connector cap. Repeat steps 4, 5, and 6. Okay, after connecting all string lights, firmly screw the waterproof connector cap of the last string light section and plug into power and enjoy your lights. There is a lot to this, so that's why I really don't want to mess it up. It says down here you have the option to buy an expansion pack of 5 meters with 12 lights, not including the control box or the adapter, to meet your needs. The string light can extend up to 150 feet, 9 string light sections. I probably won't be doing that. So there you have it. Yeah, I did clean off my porch yesterday with the hose. It didn't really help, but it did a little bit. So once I figure out the day that I want to tackle this, then I'm going to get all this out, connect the lights, plug them in, make sure they work, and then figure this out. Yeah, we're getting ready to have a heat wave, so I have one more Friday afternoon I can take off, and it might still be too hot then, but I really want to make sure I have ample time. My porch is sunny until about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so I'd have to start on a day like that. And I like my daughter. She can't really do anything. She's got some back issues right now, but I really kind of would like to have her kind of help me a little, guide me maybe, just kind of, she could see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So I don't know, but there you have it. I love lights, and I thought, man, these are going to be neat. I really wish I could have had them go up and like that, but I just don't have help. So when you're doing it yourself, you got to figure it out. So I've had these about 2 weeks. This is the first day I've really been able to do an unboxing. And I'm glad I found my old selfie stick. So there you have it. Govee RGBIC permanent outdoor lights. I cannot wait to try to get these up. So thank you for watching my unboxing.